Yo, what's up mga runners? So, we create another plan again, a one-man plan. This plan naman, ang target natin, mabit natin yung 5K best natin, which is 26 minutes and 54. So, ang target natin is 26 minutes flat. So, for today's Huawei plan, meron tayong easy run na 20 minutes I think. Pero sagad ko to ng 30 minutes. So this week is a full of easy runs to build our endurance again. So come and join me. Let's have some fun and stay active. Tara takbo. Let's go. So we just need to maintain a 134 to 154 heart rate for this run. M1 651. 4K 740, 5K 731. So that's our easy run. So extend na yung run natin in a 5K run. So easy pa rin naman siya, easy pacing ang ginawa natin. Nag-maintain lang tayo hanggang 160 heart rate. So yun, I hope, encourage you once again to be stay active, to be healthy, to be wealthy, and always run for your life, for a better living. So yun, I hope this plan will be fruitful and we will succeed to our goal na 26 minutes in 5K. So yun lang, kita-kits ulit and bye-bye.